Good evening, dear students. In this video of mine, I will explain simple interest formulae and compound interest formulae. All of you know simple interest is what? 1 minute. Simple interest, in short, we write SI. It is what? P. P for principal, N for number of years, and R for rate of interest divided by 100. Now see how the formula has come. See, when we say rate of interest is R% per annum, rate of interest is equal to R% per annum. Entire secret of formula is hidden in this. What mean by R% per annum? Percent is what? Short form of century, per 100, and per annum is at the end of every year, per annum. So if I'll deposit rupees 100 on rupees 100, at the end of per annum, at the end of every year, at the end of 1 year, bank is giving me interest, R rupees interest. Therefore, instead of 100 rupees, if I'll deposit 1 rupee on rupee 1, 100 means what? 100 into 1. So 100 is multiplied to 1. When we'll transfer on that side, it will go in division. So on rupee 1, at the end of at the end of 1 year, bank will give me R upon 100, because 100 was multiplied, so you'll bring on this side, it will get divided. R upon 100 rupees interest. So instead of 1 rupee, if I'll deposit P rupees, on rupees P, so what you are doing? In 1 we are multiplying by P. So on rupees P, at the end of 1 year only. Bank will give, now you have multiplied P, so here also you have to multiply by P. So PR by 100 rupees interest. If I'll deposit rupees P only, on rupees P, instead of 1 year, I will take n year. At the end of n year, bank will give me, on 1 year it is giving PR by 100. So on n year it will give PNR. We have to multiply by n because in 1 we have multiplied by n. So right side also you have to multiply by this much interest. Therefore, the formula for simple interest is what? These things are very simple, basic, but it gives a lot of pleasure how the formula has come. So always try to understand the formula. Okay, PNR by 100. Now next formula will be what? On compound interest. What do you mean by compound interest? When 1 year's interest, whatever you are getting, that is added to principal, then it becomes what? Principal for next year. So you are getting interest on interest. That is called compound interest. So next point is what? Compound interest formula. My grandson is coming, who is 10 years, 10 months old, to learn all these things. Compound interest. Now here you'll be observing accumulated value, compound interest. Whatever formula will be calculating, that is for accumulated value. Just a minute, let me shift the page. Hmm. If I'll deposit P rupees, you observed in simple interest, on P rupees, at the end of 1 year, bank gives interest I1. I'll say I1 is equal to PR by 100. Now this interest is added in principal, that will give you amount. Therefore, amount A1 at the end of 1 year 1 year will become principal plus interest. From this I'll take P common, 1 plus R by 100. This is amount at the end of first year which becomes principal for in the beginning of second year. Therefore, on rupees A1, now A1 becomes what, our principal for second year. On rupees A1 at the end of 1 year, that is at the end of second year. Second year means what? It is now new interest calculated. That is only for 1 year. At the end of second year, it is year is what? Only one. At the end of second year will become what? Now A1 is the principal now. Rate of interest is what? R by 100. This is interest. Therefore, what amount it will become? Amount at the end of second year is equal to, principal was A1 plus rate of interest is what? A1 upon A1 R upon 100. Now if I'll take A1 common, so I'll get 1 plus R upon 100. And 1 plus A1 is what? A1 you can see it was P into 1 plus R upon 100. P into 1 plus R upon 100 into 1 plus R upon 100, which is equal to P into 1 plus R upon 100 square. Now this amount, this will become what? Principal for second year, which I'll take as what? Amount A2. Which I'll take as what? A2. Now this A2 will become what? Principal for in the beginning of third year. Therefore, on A2, rupees A2, rupees A2 at the end of third year, that is only for 1 year. At the end of third year, how much interest bank will give me? A2 into rate of interest, because A2 is what? Principal now. A2 into rate of interest divided by 100, which is what? This is interest which I earned. Therefore, amount at the end of third year, which I'll take as what? A3, will become what? A2 was principal in the beginning of third year, second year, at the end of second year, that is beginning of third year, plus interest on it, and it is what? A2R upon 100. If I'll take A2 common, you'll get 1 plus R upon 100. Now A2 is what? A2 is what? P into 1 plus R upon 100 square into 1 plus R upon 100. A2 is replaced by this 1 plus R upon, which will give you P into 1 plus R upon 100. This is amount which becomes at the end of third year. Proceed 1 minute. Let me shift the page. Therefore, proceeding in this manner, we get this is amount at the end of third year. Proceeding in this manner, we get amount at the end of nth year. If you want, you can write it as what? AN will become what? P into 1 plus R by 100 raised to n. Now this is amount. Therefore, compound interest at the end of n years is equal to amount at the end of nth year minus principal which he had deposited in the beginning of first year, which is P, and amount at the end of nth year is what? P into 1 plus R by 100 raised to n minus P, which is equal to P common will give you 1 plus R by 100 raised to n minus 1. This is formula for compound interest. Thank you very much. In next video, I'll come with what some more important things, important formulas, and then we'll continue important chapters of mathematics. I'll be giving you shortcuts for JEE as well as for CET for upcoming examination. Thank you very much.